What's up, guys? Just got ready for the day. About to head up to the gas station and then over to Eric's crib to hang out for a little bit. I had to bang them shoes off because you know they'd be wet. Try to get my floor mats wet, you know what I mean? Yo, I'm about to turn on your street and shit.
Word.
Charlie. Oh. Ah, damn it, Sonny. Knew that was coming. Butters. About to go get some food at McDonald's. Schlesbahn. Mickey D's. Sausage and egg. I'm gonna video all you people over there. Bacon Clubhouse. Going back to the house now. Just left Eric's. About to head over to Diggs' crib. Check out that sunset though. Okay. Hey, okay. Hey, okay. Hey, okay. We're gonna win it. Alright, there we go. I. Shit. Yo, I seen Jesus. Man, I'm looking for the green light. Yo! Yeah, we got that though. Yo, we about to be at Diggs' crib. We cruising over to Diggs' crib. There go our car back there.